Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shakespeare, and no, I'm not the old guy from 400 years ago. I'm your modern, friendly English teacher, here to help you speak English with more confidence and clarity. Today's episode is super helpful because we're talking about something many English learners struggle with: pronunciation. You might know a lot of words. You might understand grammar. But if people don't understand you when you speak, it can feel frustrating, right? So in this episode, we'll talk about common pronunciation mistakes, how to fix them, and I'll give you fun, easy exercises to help you sound more natural when speaking English. Let's go! Part 1. Common pronunciation mistakes. Let's start with some common pronunciation mistakes English learners often make. Listen carefully. Maybe you make some of these too. 1. Confusing TH sounds. The English TH sound is very tricky. We have two types. Th, like in think, or v, like in this. Many students say sink instead of think, or dis instead of this. Tip: put your tongue between your teeth and blow air out. Yes, it feels strange at first, but that's how native speakers do it. Repeat after me. Think, think, think. This, this, this. 2. Ending sounds are missing. Some students forget to say the last sound of a word. For example, big becomes be. Cold becomes call. Always pronounce the final sounds clearly. It helps people understand you better. Try this. I have a big bag. It's a cold night. Can you hear the endings? 3. Mixing up long and short vowels. For example, ship, which is short I, versus sheep, which is long E. Bit versus beat. Practice pairs like this. Sit, seat, bit, beat, fill, feel. Repeat them slowly and clearly. All right, now let's talk about word stress and rhythm in English. These are super important for sounding natural. What is word stress? In English, one part of a word is stronger. We make it louder, longer, or higher in pitch. Example: table, not tabel. Doctor, not doctor. Tip: if you stress the wrong syllable, people might not understand you. It can sound like a different word. Let's try. Record, noun, versus record, verb. Present, noun, versus present, verb. Now, sentence rhythm. English is a stress-timed language. That means we stress the important words like nouns, verbs, adjectives, and say other words more quickly. Example sentence: I want to go to the store. We stress want, go, and store. The rest is said faster. Repeat after me. I want to go to the store. She's buying some fresh fruit. Try it saying it like music. It has a beat. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. That's English rhythm. Part 3. Fun pronunciation exercises. Time to practice. Let's do some fun and simple exercises you can use every day to improve. 1. Shadowing exercise. Listen to a short sentence by a native speaker, maybe from a movie or YouTube, and then repeat it exactly the same way. Match the speed, the rhythm, the intonation. Example: native speaker, "What are you doing today?" You, "What are you doing today?" Do it again and again. You're copying the music of English. 2. Tongue twisters. These are fun and great for pronunciation. Try this slowly. She sells seashells by the seashore. 33. Thirsty thieves. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just laugh and try again. 3. Record yourself. Yes, I know you might hate your voice, but trust me, it works. Record yourself reading a short paragraph or sentence, and then listen. Ask yourself, am I saying all the sounds? Am I using stress and rhythm? Compare it with a native speaker version if you can. 4. Use mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror and watch your mouth. Make sure your tongue and lips are moving like they should. For f sounds, you should see your tongue between your teeth. Say, "Thanks for the birthday gift." Watch your mouth. Feel the sounds. All right, friend, let's review quickly. Check. Focus on tricky sounds like th, ending consonants, and vowel differences. Check. Pay attention to word stress. Which syllable is strong? Check. Practice the rhythm of English sentences. It's like music. Check. Do fun exercises like shadowing, tongue twisters, and mirror practice. And most of all, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. Every time you practice, you get better. I promise you, with just 10 minutes a day, your pronunciation will improve a lot in a few weeks. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Shakespeare, and I hope this episode helped you feel more confident in your English pronunciation. If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What sound is hardest for you in English? And hey, practice your pronunciation in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English. Bye-bye.